Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox launching experience keeps crashing and freezing on mobile devices. So first of all, go to your device settings, then scroll down and look for applications and permissions. Tap on applications and permissions, and in applications and permission tap on app manager. Scroll down and looks for Roblox game. Tap on it. In Roblox app info tap on internal storage. Once you are on the screen, go ahead and tap on clear cache. After you are done with it, simply launch your Roblox game and you are good to go. In this way you can fix Roblox launching experience. So this was a process by which you can fix Roblox launching experience. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.